Good evening everyone and good evening sir. I am Cadet Filosopo from Group 4, and in this video I will discuss the social stratification in the Philippines. So let's talk about something that really shows how big our society works. Social stratification in the Philippines. So don't worry, it sounds deep, but it's actually easy to get once you picture it like a pyramid. So at the very top, you got the upper class, so the richest of the rich, business owners, big politicians, celebrities, people who have power, money, and comfort in life. Below them is the upper middle class, professionals like doctors, engineers, or managers. They live comfortably, own cars, travel sometimes, and have savings. Then there's the middle class, your office workers, teachers, or small businesses owners. They live okay, but one emergency or job loss can really shake their budget. And next is the lower middle class. These are service workers, vendors, factory workers, and OFWs. They work very hard day just to get by, often with a little to and no savings. And finally, the lower class. These are people who don't have stable jobs. Some are unemployed, and many struggle to meet basic needs. Now, the higher you go, the fewer people there are. And moving up is tough because of inequality, lack of opportunities, and systemic problems that keep people stuck. But if we start helping each other to fair education, job opportunities, and compassion, maybe we can make that pyramid a little more balanced. So that's all everyone, and thank you for listening.